Hello, my fellow people. Hope everything is good with you. So we're doing a fall glam look. We're gonna go straight into it. My brows are already done, so we're gonna go straight to the eyes. This is the eye base I'm using. It is a gold eye base. It's from Bombshell Cosmetics, and then I'm going to put some lip balm on. The lip balm I'm using is First Aid Beauty lip balm. Now we're going to go straight to the eyes. I'm using a double entendre palette, and I'm going to use the color hard and extracurricular. So I'm just blending that onto my crease. Next, I'm going to use a Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to buff that all out. Now I'm going to use the color Keep It PG and putting that all over my lids. Next, I'm going to use the color Teddy Bear, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Now I'm just buffing the brown out. Next, I'm going to use Hard and Teddy Bear on my lower lash. Now I'm using Fenty eyeliner. It's the Eclipse eyeliner. I don't know the name, but I know it's the black one that has the blue glitter in it. And Fenty Beauty still have this eyeliner, so you could go to fentybeauty.com to get it. Next is my LA Girl brown eyeliner, and I'm putting that in my waterline. Now I'm going to use the color Flasher and putting that in my inner corner. I'm using two mascaras. One just volumizing and the other one just lengthens. Next, I'm using two primers. One is Black Radiant Primer. The other one is First Aid Beauty Primer. And yes, I do know I'm being heavy-handed with my products. You don't have to put so much product on. That was just me. I realized that I did put a whole lot. Now I'm putting my Fenty Beauty mixed with my Innisfree foundations on my face. So yeah, I realized that I put a whole lot of foundation on my face, and so I started to use a sponge to blend it. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro face powder. This is a good face powder. It's in the color chestnut. Now I'm using my ColourPop bronzer in Rodeo Drive. And as you see, I popped on some lashes. I just used Ardell lashes. Now I'm using the ABH Glow Kit in Back Glow, and I'm using the color Drifting in Gold, my favorite highlighter. Now I'm using my NYX matte lipstick in the color Dark Era, and I'm using ColourPop I Think I Love You palette, and I'm using the color Let's Do It and put it in my outer corner of my eyes because I wanted to darken it, and then I decided to put the same color and put it on my lips to deepen my lips, and then put more of my NYX Dark Era matte lipstick on. Fix my lips And that's pretty much the finished look. I hope y'all guys like. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video, and remember to stay real and fabulous. And I would definitely talk to y'all guys next time. Till then, bye.